guys, and welcome back to the In the Kitchen with Rosa. So today I'm going to be making some pork chops in my air fryer. But I'm going to do it. I went to go buy Shake and Bake for the first time. I don't really use that stuff. But then when I went over there, it was like $3 for a little box of Shake and Bake. Which all it is this panko with some seasoning. So I bought this one for like $1.48, 8 ounce. And I could make more than just one thing of Shake and Bake. So I'm going to try that today. So I'm going to season my pork chops. Let's go. Oh, let me spray a little bit of olive oil on them. Yeah, and I got my olive oil in a little spray thing. Come on. There it goes. I was reading a thing on the news or whatever. They were saying, don't wash your chickens. I don't know. They just keep saying things about stuff, but not to wash your food now. Because it says it's bad for you. Who knows? Whatever. Okay, so I'm just going to season it with my favorite seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like. I use this. It's called Memphis style barbecue seasoning. I just like the flavor. Sometimes it has a little kick to it. My husband tells me that, but you know, they'll be alright. I have to open their palates once in a while. So I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning.
Not on Jesse, I tell you.
No, he won't. Jesse doesn't really eat pork chop, but I'm still making one. Try to cut it. Let's see, so season them well. Then I'm going to add some. See, this is the way I cook. I just add stuff that I see. Minced onion. I got a little bit of minced onion here. So I'm going to add some to a cup of them. It's almost finished. Is it? Yep. So that's the end of this. There you go. It's just onion, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I don't add salt because sometimes this other stuff already has a lot of salt in it. I'm going to add some pepper. Okay. Oh, sorry, I had to sneeze. So, let me put some panko in here. And this is already seasoned, so we don't even have to add seasoning. It says Italian style. So we take it, dip it real good. This is my first time doing this, guys, so. And then turn it around. Oh, this is going to be good in the air fryer, because the air fryer loves when you got crispiness. So. See that? And I didn't even have to buy that $3 box of Shake and Bake. I don't understand how come that was so expensive. So, I have my air fryer here already ready for me. I'm going to put it right in here. But let me get this closer. I don't make a mess. Put it right on this. Look at that. Doesn't that be awesome? I already want to eat it. Okay, that one's there. Let me do the next one. I think we might need a little bit more breadcrumbs for the second one. Pork is like the best thing in the world. Okay. I'm making sweet potatoes that I got at the farmer's market. So. But my son doesn't eat sweet potatoes, so I think I'm going to make him some potatoes separate. And me and my husband, so we're going to eat sweet potatoes with some pork. Maybe some broccoli. You like that? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Okay, good. I put it on a video because sometimes people want to know. Sometimes I put pictures of my food on Facebook on one of my Instant Pot groups or air fryer groups. And the first thing they ask, recipe. So I gotta make a video and just have it, let them watch my video on YouTube. easier than typing an entire recipe. Because, you know. See? Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? So I'm going to put it in the second rack. And then I'm going to get one of my other racks. That's the reason I like this oven fryer. Because it has racks, which I could put it in different levels. I don't like the air fryer that you just dump everything in it. I just don't like it like that. That was my first air fryer I ever had, but after I got this one, I just like the way you could put it in different levels and cook all the food at the same time. I don't have to cook it in stages. The other one I had to cook like 2 pieces of chicken at a time. I don't like that. Put the lid there. Turn it around. Make sure it's really covered so you can have a nice crust. This looks yum yum, right?
Mm-hmm.
This might be my new thing.
Chicken, everything, fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it'll make a nice coating on it.
Definitely.
Yeah, I put some nice shrimp. Okay, and this is the third one.
Those are big pork chops.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are.
Okay, I'm going to put it on the top shelf. This should cook. I'm going to have it on 370. I'm going to start 15 minutes and see how... halfway in between the cooking, you turn them around. And then once you see the top one is getting too cooked, you just swish it and you put it to the bottom and bring this one to the top. Okay? So, let's go. So, once it's done, I'll come back and I'll show you the finished product. Okay? Thank you. Bye. Hi guys. So, time to check on these pork chops. Let's see how it's going on. Open this. Get my tongs. See how they're looking. Oh, very nice. Mm-hmm. Let's see the top one. Let me put a plate here so I'm not a mess. Let's see. Oh, very nice. So I'm gonna turn it over. Get a, because I think I'm like, you know, made out of stone. I don't even get a pot holder. Let me just turn it over.
Get a nice crisp.
To get the crispy side on the other
Yep.
side. Sounds good. This is going to be delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Let's make this one. Turn it over. Mmm. Okay. Put them in again. And let me put a little bit more time on it. Like 6 more minutes. So hopefully in 6 minutes they're already done. So come on down on this side. Let's check out these sweet potatoes. I've done a video about sweet potatoes already, so you guys already know. I love them. They smell so good. So these sweet potatoes, you know, took like, I put them for a couple of minutes in here, 4 minutes, no, 5 minutes, and they're already nice. So I'm just going to put some brown sugar, some butter, some little bit of olive oil, and mash them up and serve them with the pork chops. Okay, see you soon. Okay guys, I'm back. So, we're going to check on these pork chops. I already made my sweet potatoes. Add a little bit of brown sugar. Some butter, you know, heaven. Butter is one of the best things for these sweet potatoes. So let's check on this pork chop. We'll take this one out, but leave this in there cooking. So I can check to see how this is doing. Get a little knife. Nice and moist. Delicious. Give this up to my husband.
Gotta feed the cameraman. Oh yeah.
Very good. So.
Oh my God.
Right? Very crispy. The panko gives it a nice, good
That's
flavor.
all that flavor. It's
So-
perfect in your mouth.
Yes, I got it. And the air fryer makes it nice and juicy. So, if you guys want to try it, all you need to do is forget about that shake and bake stuff. Just get a can of panko and put it in the air fryer and let the air fryer take care of business. So, thank you for watching.
But if you want it to cook good, you have to get an air fryer.
Yes.
The oven will not cut it.
It keeps all the juices in.
Yep, the oven will not cut it.
So, hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you learned something from it. If you didn't, it's okay. Hope you could teach me some stuff. If you find something that I did wrong or you want to give me some suggestions, just leave comments on the bottom. I hope you subscribe and you like my video. See you guys soon. Okay? Bye.